What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asian Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video for the TNT All-Star Grand Rest Back. And this is for the performance of Jessa Kyoge for the second round performance sa TNT Grand Rest Back. Nako, sobrang galing din ito ni Jessa, guys. If I'm not mistaken, she's a first runner-up ata siya nung season 1. Kung hindi season 1, season 2. So, super galing din itong babaeng to, guys. Kaya naman nakaka-excite na mapanood ang kanyang performance. Thank you so much po sa nagbigay sa atin ng link for this request. And definitely, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asian Diaries. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Pangkat agimat pala siya. Oh, mukhang madamdamin to. Ay, grabe ang glow up niya. Ang ganda niya. Dahil mahal na mahal kita. Ay, the emotion.
Kahit na sinasaktan ko, umiiyak ako dahil sa'yo, eto pa rin ako.
Love the emotion. Ganda, galing.
Kahit na niloloko mo lang ako,
Nananakit.
kahit na tumingin sa iba, magmahal ka na iba, kapulagad ako.
Wow!
Masakit na rito dito sa puso ko.
Ang linis ng head tone niya. Hold on, guys, grabe ang linis ng head tone. I love the way she's doing the storytelling ng kanta. Tapos, syempre, memorize natin to dahil mahal na mahal kita. So, we know how the emotion should be given to the viewers. And she is giving it. Jessa is giving it. Checking all the green boxes. Grabe. Ang ganda ng glow up niya and she looks so pretty. The star quality is there. Shucks! Ganda ng 10 notes plus the head tone. Ito na. The escalation. Wow! Goosebumps? Oh! Sorry guys, I must stop this video right now. Sobrang ganda nung part na yun. I love the escalation and yung pagbali and the runs and the riffs. Grabe, and she's using normal head tone. Hindi siya nagpa-falsetto dun sa part na yun. Sobrang ganda. Let's go back to that a little, guys. Grabe. Hey! Plus the facial expression, no?
Gagawin mo ang lahat, pang ako lang di ako iiwan, dahil mahal kita.
Oh! What? Shucks! Goosebumps, guys. Love the head tone. Fudge! Oh my God! Heartfelt performance from Jessa Kyoge. Kabog! Love it! There you have it, guys. That is Jessa Quijogue, heartfelt performance of Dahil Mahal na Mahal Kita. Grabe! The rendition, the vocal spectacle, ang ganda ng pagkaka-arrange, bagay na bagay sa boses niya. Those thin notes, the high notes, the low tone, at saka yung head tone niya. Grabe! And the emotion, overflowing emotion. Alam mo yung ramdam mo talaga emotion. Nag-goosebumps ako, guys. Grabe. Hands down for Jessa Quijogue. For sure, she got the points for this, guys. I don't know if she won this round, but definitely this is a winner's performance. Grabe din yung glow up niya. As in, guys, ano na siya? May star quality na parang overall package na siya. The vocals plus the appearance. Kabog, congratulations for this performance, Jessa. I can't wait to see your next performance. Hindi ko na panood yung una niyang performance, guys. If you have the link, you can comment down below so that we can check that out for you, alright? That's enough with our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.